positively charged carbon atom to get this type of product. Okay, so this is one more very good example of the transannular hydride shift 1,5 hydride shift, and in this way you have to think for the different reactions. Here is three membered ring. I have shown how the cyclobutane, how that one consists of the transannular reaction of cyclobutane ester to give the corresponding bicyclo 1,1,1,10 butane ester. Okay, so this bromine CO situation on treatment with sodium hydride, how the bicyclic compound that form in cyclobutane. Okay, this fused bicycles we can synthesize by transannular reactions. So here are some examples of the transannular reactions. You can find in ELIL books also different reactions of the transannular. From the I have told you the page number. You have to go through page number 261 to 264. Okay, 261 to 264. All these 3 page numbers from ELIL book, they have explained everything about the how hydride shift in different reactions. So here we have taken a 10 membered ring with the enolate form here and carbonyl group, and how this carbon-carbon double bond is taking part in the reaction to form this fused system. Okay. In next one is a 4-fluoroproline. In presence of 4-fluorofluorine reaction occurs. How again this hydride present over here, that one is taking part in this reaction. So hydride undergoes the hydride shift from this atom and this carbon atom to over here. Okay, this kind of example you can find in book ELIL. Please go through that one and you can explore the examples. Now again the same thing, 8-membered ring with 2 ketone group in presence of proline. Proline means amino acid. So in that, in presence of that one also, we can get the 5-membered fused bicyclic system. So for this one also mechanism, please refer the ELIL book. Here I have given, I tried to show the mechanism how the 1,5 hydride shift occurs. So count from this carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe you can take this one number, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both carbonyl group, they have hydrogen atom at 5th position. Okay, so both any carbonyl group you can take and you can make the reaction. So 1,5, so I started from this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 5th carbon atom 2 hydrogens are present. So hydride is shifting in presence of proline as a catalyst. Hydride is shifting to this carbonyl carbon. Okay, so hydride shifted. So here hydrogen is present now over here. An oxygen atom abstracts proton from solvent, and in this way we got the product fused bicyclic system. Okay, so this is very simple things, just you have to pay attention carefully on how the fused ring system they do form. Okay, one more reaction in case of cyclooctane I have taken here. Cyclooctane, NBA, and methanol. So we got here 2 substituents, methoxide group and bromine attachment. So how different types of groups, how different types of products we got over here, they have shown very well. So 27% we got 1,2 product, 1,4 product we got 44%, and olefin and bromination product we got 28%. Okay, so mechanism they have shown over here in short. So here is the bromine. Bromination occurs first. Cyclobromonium ion occurs here. Cyclobromonium ion forms with this olefin. Okay, once we got cyclobromonium ion, then methoxide from this methanol is attacking on this side. So see cyclooctane in which form they have written in. They have written in such a way that we can show the hydride shift very well. So pay attention, only you can show the 1,5 hydride shift or 1,3 hydride shift. Okay, so pay attention, position number 5, number 5th carbon atom which possesses hydrogen, that one only is shifting from 5th to 1st position. So here they have shown attack of methoxide Okay, so this product formation they have shown adequate methoxide at the fifth position. Okay, fifth position, and this at that one is attacking at fifth position. The fifth position hydrogen shifting with its lone pair at the first position. Okay, so in this way we got this product bromo and methoxide at the 1,4 position. Okay. So now how we got the olefin. Okay, how we got this product. Okay, only these two are abnormal. This is normal product. This is two. Once we are getting bromonium ion, then methoxide is getting attached from here, so you will get this product. Okay, now how this one is formed they have shown here. Now how this one is forming they do shown at the second mechanism. So here fifth position hydrogen, okay, so fifth position hydrogen, that one is shifting only. So how that one is shifting at the first position. Okay, bromonium ion at first position, fifth position hydride shifting to the first position, and at that time fourth position proton is abstracting by this methoxide ion to form this carbon-carbon double bond. So in this way it's very easy, transannular hydride shift and everything. So it's not that of difficult, just pay attention and study it carefully. So again here are some examples, different examples they have given. Again his 10-membered ring is here, 10-membered with carbon-carbon double bond with different reagents they have given. And you can see over here how 5-membered ring fused with 7-membered ring, 7-membered and 5-membered ring fused rings we can synthesize from the 10-membered rings. Okay, so this is the beauty of this transannular reaction. Here also I have shown some of the example. You can use them for your further study. Transannular cyclization reaction, so we can cyclize them and we can synthesize such types of fused ring systems. See, in presence of natural products synthesis also we can use this term transannular cyclization reaction. It's very important and very useful, transannular reactions. So different types of big molecules of olefin natural products also we can synthesize via transannular hydride shift pathway. Bis-Michael reaction, cascade reaction. So from this big molecule, how we can synthesize this fused ring system. Okay, so very nicely scientists have utilized these transannular reactions. And here are some potential for transannular reactions, from which starting material, from which cycloalkane, which product we can synthesize. Everything I have given over here with references. I have made this slide, so pay attention and you can utilize all this information for your examination point of view. Okay, so with all strain energy and everything I have included over here. Substrate scope of in asymmetric catalytic TS. So no one will ask me this much complicated things, but you should, for your its extra additional information, I have dropped all these slides, so you can utilize these things for your examination. Here is some information I have given regarding the transannular interaction or reactions. Please go through that one and try to withdraw a lot of information from that thing. Okay, only for your reading material I have made all these slides, and in this way we can say that we have finished our transannular reactions stop things. If needed we can make one more lecture on this one.